Hey all. Our objectives for today will be to 1. Guess the content of the text Tragedy at Sea. 2. Find out the meaning of the following words using the dictionary. Arrest, asylum, coast guard, distress, force, hold, horrified, emigrate, immigrate, immigrant, isolated, prosecutor, scene. 3. Answer questions as they read the text, Tragedy at Sea, silently and individually. First, do you like traveling? How long do you prefer to stay in the country you are traveling to? 2 weeks, 1 month, 6 months, 1 year, lifetime. When you stay in a country for a long time, this is not called traveling. This is called immigration. Have you ever thought of immigration? In each family, you could find that one of its members has immigrated to another country. It is possible that your family had thought of immigration too. Where do people immigrate? People immigrate from Southeast Asia to the United States of America or Canada. They also immigrate from Africa to these countries. Moreover, they immigrate to European counties. Why do people immigrate? They immigrate for education, seeking better life, unemployment, poverty, war, treatment. How do people immigrate? For traveling, there are 2 ways. Some people travel by airplane. Others travel by ships. How do people immigrate? There are 2 types of immigration. Legal immigration. Illegal immigration. Illegal immigration. It Happens when the person travels to another country and then escapes to the country he wants to immigrate to through the sea. The country they escaped to did not approve the coming to it. When the person arrives to that country, they tear away the passports and ask for asylum, refuge. What could happen? When traveling illegally from a country to another country, people use small boats which they load with many people. Boats may sink because of the overload. What does that lead to? This would lead to tragedy at sea. Now, let's find the meaning of the following troublesome words: arrest, asylum, coast guard, distress, force, hold, horrified, emigrate, immigrate, immigrant, isolated, prosecutor, scene, arrest means to take someone by the authority of law. Asylum means a safe place, refuge. Coast Guard means the officer policing the seas within territorial waters. Distress means serious danger. Force means to oblige someone to do something. Hold means the lower part of the ship. Horrified means scared. Emigrate means the lower part of the ship. Horrified means scared. Emigrate means to leave the country in which one lives. Immigrate means to move into a country to stay in. Immigrant means a person who immigrates. Isolated means placed or standing alone. Prosecutor means an officer in the government who claims when a crime or an accident happens. Scene means the location where something happened. Now, the text Tragedy at the Sea talks about a disaster happened when certain people decided to immigrate illegally using a small ship. Those people were from Bangladesh, Syria and other poor or in conflict countries. Read the following questions and guess their answers. 1. When and where did the tragedy happen? 2. How many people were on the boat? Men, women and children. 3. Describe the boat the passengers were on. 4. What did the prosecutor discover regarding passengers? 5. Why was the scene horrifying? 6. Was it the only accident which happened that year? Illustrate. 7. Why are so many people risking their lives to get to Europe? To answer the questions, read the text Tragedy at Sea on pages 58 and 59.